Okay, today is actually homecoming day, and I'm in the middle of getting my hair done, but we'll get to that a little bit later. First, I got my nails done, so here are a few clips from that. And now that we're back, let's get to the hair. So as you can see, I have two braids in. We're taking them out, then we're gonna straighten my hair and add some clip-ins. I'm so excited. I hope this looks good. In the middle of this process, I know my hair looks crazy right now, but we have some of the clip-ins in, and we're gonna see how this goes. All right, so the hair is finally done. Here's how it looks. I am tired right now. This took a long time, but it looks very good in my opinion, and I'm definitely happy with it. All right, it is 5:47 and it's about time to do my makeup. So let's do this. Okay, I know this is going by fast, but here's the makeup. And last but not least, I just gotta put on my dress and fix up my hair a little bit. Everyone, here's the final look. It took a lot to get here, but I'm definitely happy with it. And now I gotta go to the actual homecoming dance. Here's a little overview. And yeah, that's basically it. Ooh. Alright, I am back home. It is 12:26 and I am tired. I'm ready to get out of this dress and just relax. Here's what I look like after the homecoming dance, and yes, I tied my hair because it was starting to get messed up, especially because people were throwing water and some of it got in my hair. By the way, don't mind my room. It's a mess because of all the prepping and getting ready. But yeah, there you guys have it. Thanks for watching. Bye!